Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about Spotlight and look at it a bit closer. So the next time I will show you how to upload, but today we're just going to give a close look at Spotlight. So to access Spotlight, you go on your profile and click on the Spotlight button. And there you have accessed Spotlight. Now, Spotlight is divided into four parts. At the top, you have the editor's Spotlight. These are some of the favorite editor's resources. And you can see here different resources. For example, this is a poetry resources, which is free. It tells you here that it is free. It is an individual lesson plan, My Poetry Vocab Grade. That is the title. It was rated with 4 stars. It was created by Olga Silverman. It is English Language Arts, 9th grade. And again, here it is from individual lesson plans. And similar to that, you have got these blended learning, gratitude activities for the classroom, etc., etc. These have been chosen by the editor. The second part is Popular on Spotlight. Popular on Spotlight are resources that have received a number of reviews and the review was high. For example, here you can see that this resource was rated by 5 star. It is also free, and this was not created by the person. It was created by and shared by a publisher, created by Zynga Publisher. Language Arts, Fourth High Elementary Middle is the group, peer group, and Edmodo Connect apps. This is also a resource for a platform which is very good, free at Puzzle, created by a puzzle publisher, can be used for professional development, high elementary and middle, and it is a web link. The next session is new on Spotlight. These are the recently added Spotlight. Some of them have not been rated, as you can see here. Okay. And others are rated. Some are free and some you have to buy. From here, you will notice that they are either a link or a file or something like that. So here, if you click on this arrow, you will get more and more. Okay. The last part is recommended for you. So Edmodo chooses some resources that things that you will find useful. For example, this is a file. Look here, you got the PDF file. Classroom Posts and Supply, Introduction to Electricity, Conductive Materials and Complete Circle. It is created by a publisher, Science Specialty for Classroom 1, 2, 3, and 4th grade, Classroom Posts and Supply. Now, all resources are here are filtered. On the left-hand side, you can find that teachers and publishers can upload on Edmodo, so it is obvious that students cannot publish on Edmodo. You can filter your resources when you are searching for resources uh, by subject, arts, computer studies, English language arts, world language, different languages, etc. Grades, you can filter by grades. You choose your grade. It is either elementary, middle, 6, 7, 8, and high. Types of resources, Edmodo quizzes, online course, PowerPoint presentations, etc. And you can also search either for free and open resources or paid. And the paid can be filtered by $3 or less, $3 to $6, $6 or more. And let me do this simple exercise to show you. So I am going to search for resources published by teachers only. Okay, so I got these by teachers. And I am going to look for professional development like flipped classroom. Okay, so you got resources. They are all published by teachers and for flipped classroom. So you get there, up here, you get the filtering you are doing. Okay. Grades is for high elementary, so elementary fifth grade. No, I think this had to be high 12th or higher. And PowerPoint presentations. And at last, free and open. And you get, can you see? Here we don't have all these options. So I will be removing 12th grade. Teachers and flipped classroom. And here you have these. Okay, so maybe you choose one and you may download it. This is an infographic of blended learning. It is free. And when I click on it, can you see? This is going to be in Visit a web link. Sometimes it can be downloadable. So for today, I will be stopping here because it will be very long. Thanks for watching. See you in another screencast. Thank you.